Hi everyone, it's Kayla, and this is my final video presentation of my blog, The Female Rewrite. Since the midterm feedback, I've made a few changes that I felt were necessary after reading all the comments and suggestions. So, to start with the homepage, I've made no major changes here, as many people said they liked the look and the photos that I had originally on it. The only aspect of it that I did change was how I presented my articles. Before, I had two pictures sandwiching my column of posts, but now I have two columns of articles sandwiching a single picture. And as we continue further down, you can see that the rest of the page has remained the same. The next tab I'll go to is the About section, and nothing has changed on this tab. The same can be said for the disclaimer and copyright page, which has also had no changes made to it since the midterm feedback. The last tab on my blog is the blog page, and this presents all of my past and recent articles that I have posted. Nothing has changed on this page specifically. However, what has changed is the content and organization of my articles. Before the midterm feedback, I ended my articles with a simple concluding paragraph of the woman that I researched on. Now, I end the articles with recommendations of museums, galleries, websites, books, and anything else that would contain information about these women. Let's take Marianne North's post, for example. At the end of her article, I've posted the location of her gallery in Kew Gardens, as well as a short video about her and her paintings. This can be seen in every other article. Now, I also have started to separate the women into 4 categories. The first would be double take, and this is for women that deserve another look in history. The next one would be credit due, credit given, and one can be Franny Mendelsohn as an example of that. And this is for women who have had their work stolen or not properly credited. Teamwork is the next category, and this is for groups of women who have made a change. And the final category would be careful of her, which is for ferocious, warrior, and savage historical women, Cthulhu being a prime example of one. I'm very happy with my blog, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for it and me. Thank you all for such an engaging and fun class. I hope the rest of 2020 treats you all well. Thanks!